Good afternoon from Funland Hayling Island. Yes, I've come back down again. I'm all worked up. Come straight from work down to have a look at the final preparations before the park opens on the 12th of April. It's not long now. We're starting this time down this end, which is by the Flume of Doom. Now, the Flume of Doom has had a new water pump fitted. We're going to go and have a sneaky look at that in a moment. It's drained at the moment. Obviously, we're preparing for the new season. And yeah, we're getting really close now. And the park, believe it or not, is not far away from being complete, which I love. Now, since we were last here, Neptune's Fury has been put back together. That's all nearly ready to roll. A few little tweaks to do, but that's all back together. Of course, the Mime Ride, we missed that testing last time. We missed that testing last time. That's all back together as well. And yeah, we'll just quickly show you the new pump because it's just around the corner here. We're allowed to sneak around the back and have a look at the new pump. So there we go. There's a little bit of wiring to do. There's a little bit of work to do. But coming together really nicely. Now, Neptune's Fury, as we said, that will be opening on the 12th of April. In fact, we can tell you every ride will be opening on the 12th of April. That's what we've been told. Obviously, the Ghost Train is not due open until probably early summer. So that's not going to be open for the 12th of April. Obviously, the painting is ongoing. You can see the fences have all been done. You'll see as well over on the Snake when we go over there, the fences have been done there, and there's still some primer coats going on. Here's the Mime Ride. I love this coaster. I know I keep saying it, but I love this coaster. Ready to open, ready to go on the 12th of April. Now then, the fences that were over here, actually, you'll see when we go to the entrance, you'll see that some work has been done indeed on kind of a queuing system or an entry system, so the park can control it a lot better, which will really help them out and, you know, help everyone out, to be honest with you, with just the one entrance over there. I think it's a great idea. And of course, the Viking boats. Viking boats have all been set up. They are ready to roll. And again, the theming. I love the theming. Love the theming. So yeah, all the painting's been done around here. This has all been done. This has all been touched up. It's looking really fresh, to be honest. Looking really fresh. Now, of course, there are a couple of rides to go back together, including the little children's safari train, which is right here. So as you can see, you can see this glistening, absolutely glistening. I can smell it. I can smell the paint on it. Looking fresh as. And of course, you know, for those geek shots, there we go. I love a good geek shot, Now, of course, this is where a lot of the magic happens. You can see where all the painting goes. You can see the Dodgems cars. This is normally the Dodgems track. This will all be ready as well for the 12th of April. Cars are all set to go. Just obviously got to have a little bit of a clean-up, because they've been using that as a workshop. So of course the paint has been done here. You can see primer's been put on already. You can see again, absolutely glistening. But the primer is on as they start painting up and getting this one finished, the little Zamberla rock and tug ride. Looking good. And since we were last here as well, all this concrete has been done. The hut's completely finished now. We've got the signage up. I'm told there's new signage coming for the Super Cyclone. So yeah, we can walk on this now without getting shouted out, which is good. They've got a new canopy coming for the carousel. And of course, here is the little children's safari ride, which we just seen the trains up there for. Little elephant waiting to go back on. And he's down there. So having a quick look around here, we did point this out last time. The balloons ready to roll. And of course, all this has been painted up lovely. They're completely ready to go. Some new tyres. We can see the arcade machines have automatically come on. Oh, I haven't heard that sound in ages. It's great to hear it. all this is painted up, ready to go. This has been repainted since we were last here. We actually spotted that as well from the other end, so that's ready to go. And of course we couldn't walk down here last time because there was quite a lot going on, but we're going to walk down and see that this is all ready, and you can just smell the paint. You can smell the paint where it's all been done. So these boards that are still out, these are where they have access panels to the ride, so they can still get in and do the maintenance on it, and obviously a few final touches. I'm just going to come up and have a look. I love these. These things are just stunning, absolutely stunning. I love that ride. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. I just think that is beautiful. That's still, I'm telling you now, it's the best Dumbos we've got in the United Kingdom. Undoubtedly, theme-wise. I know you've got some nice flashy lights ones which look good, and people might say Elmer's looks good as well, but that, so unique. So unique. Really, really like it. You can still see the Drake in the, still trying to take the post out over there. That thing is proper welded to the ground. Proper welded to the ground. So we're not going to go over there. We're not going to go over there. We're going to head back up now and have a look at the Extreme and the Super Cyclone. Now then. The Extreme has only just been recently worked on, so since changing over a few parts, we might actually get to see it in motion for the first time this season. And of course the Super Cyclone has also finished, so we should be able to see that in motion as well. A bit of a bonus treat. Feels like ages since I've seen rides go around. Absolutely ages. You can hear it moving in. Look at this, look. Super Cyclone going around nicely. And of course we'll come over here as well. We did compliment on how well these were painted last time. How the new wheels look. There you have it, Miami Extreme ready to roll. What you've seen there is some off-road footage which I've taken, but yeah, nearly ready to roll. That's its first full motion since it's finished its kind of winter maintenance. And what you've seen as well, we took a very quick shot. We walked up and down and took a quick shot. It's got completely new padding for this season, and to have new dividers as well. That's all new, are ready to roll, already on there. You can see them just there, all brand new. So yeah, we've had a nice close up look at the Miami. Now what we said earlier as well, these black gates, you'll have seen them around the side from previous ones. This is all going to be fenced off. There's obviously one missing at the moment. I've got a bit of access, so the entrance will be here. And for purposes as well, the fish and chip shop, it is actually open. Like I say, something to eat. Got to get something to eat. And then they come out here and this will all be sorted out here. So yeah, the ghost train, couple of months away yet. It's more important to get the park up and running, obviously, so we can take some money. 12th of April, park opens. Make sure you're down here. We will be down here on half-term week. We will be down here, 100%. All the rides will be open, so I can't wait for it. But my name's Adam, it's been UK Theme Parks. Hugely appreciative to the park to let us in today and have a little look around and indeed see the rides running.